Welcome to our Computer Science MCQ series. Whether you're studying for exams or just love tech, this series will challenge and expand your knowledge. Let's dive in and test your skills. Which device converts digital signals to analog signals and vice versa? A. Router. B. Modem. C. Switch. D. Hub. Answer. B. Modem. Which of the following is an example of an open-source operating system? A. Windows. B. Mac OS. C. Linux. D. DOS. Answer. C. Linux. Which of the following is used to identify a website uniquely on the Internet? A. HTTP. B. URL. C. HTML. D. FTP. Answer. B. URL. Which memory is non-volatile and can be electrically erased and reprogrammed? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Cache. D. Flash memory. Answer. D. Flash memory. Which of the following is a protocol for sending emails? A. FTP. B. HTTP. C. SMTP. D. SNMP. Answer. C. SMTP. In MS Word, which shortcut key is used to undo the last action? A. Ctrl Y. B. Ctrl Z. C. Ctrl X. D. Ctrl V. Answer. B. Ctrl Z. What type of software manages computer hardware and software resources? A. Application software. B. System software. C. Utility software. D. Development software. Answer. B. System software. In computing, what does GUI stand for? A. Graphical User Interaction. B. General User Interface. C. Graphical User Interface. D. General User Interaction. Answer. C. Graphical User Interface.
What is the brain of the computer called? A. RAM. B. Hard drive. C. CPU. D. ROM. Answer. C. CPU. Which key combination is used to refresh a web page? A. Ctrl F. B. Alt R. C. F5. D. Shift R. Answer. C. F5. What is the main purpose of cache memory? A. To permanently store data. B. To increase processing speed. C. To connect computers. D. To manage software. Answer. B. To increase processing speed. What does HTTP stand for? A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. B. High Text Transfer Protocol. C. Hypertransfer Text Protocol. D. High Transfer Text Protocol. Answer. A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. In which generation of computers was integrated circuit (IC) introduced? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Answer. C. Third. Which of the following is not an operating system? A. Windows. B. Android. C. Linux. D. Java. Answer. D. Java. Which one of the following is an output device? A. Scanner. B. Monitor. C. Keyboard. D. Mouse. Answer. B. Monitor.
That wraps up today's Computer Science MCQ session. Great job to everyone who participated. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to subscribe for more MCQs. See you next time.